There's this one digital tool that I've really become a fan of lately, because sometimes you have these small questions while designing that need to be answered quickly to keep the project progress moving. But creating a full technical drawing with a title block for these small questions is just sometimes a bit of an overkill. In those situations, I started to use the screen capture tool Snagit. Let me show you an example of how I used it recently. So go to AutoCAD, and here I have pipework where another contractor will connect onto. I needed to know which flange standard they were planning to use for the connection, so the bolt holes would line up with the pipework that I was designing. And I wanted to ask them that via an email. So to use Snagit, I'll go to Print. Use Snagit 2025. Use a window. Drag a window around the pipework. Place in the center. A4. Okay. Then it will open up in Snagit. I just want to rotate my drawing. So go to Image, Rotate, and counterclockwise. Yeah, that looks better. So when we transport it to Snagit, it already takes the AutoCAD grid from the background away, and now we have plenty of items we can add or text, and yeah, it's just fun to play around with. So here's the connection, so I'll grab a magnifying glass. Yeah. I'll draw a square around here, around this flange. Just move it whole. That looks good. Then we'll grab the callout. I'll take that one. And we'll type, what will be the flange standard? Table G or table D. Now we can zoom in. Decrease the letter type. It already starts to look good. Yeah, and then we can do so much more. Maybe it's fun to fill up the flange with red. And now it shows up in a magnifying glass as red as well. And now it's really clear that we talk about that flange connection. So yeah, can quickly draw all sorts of stuff. There's still a lot of white space as well. So just make it a bit smaller. Then we'll copy it. We'll go to an email, and here we can just paste the image. So yeah, Snagit, it's a fun screen capture tool that I use quite often when I have these small questions that I want to ask via email. And I take the image out of AutoCAD, upload it into Snagit, and I quickly draw some leaders and add some text to it, which is most of the time way quicker than making an actual technical drawing for it. So if you're an engineer or designer, try it out.